Welcome to day 21 of Sage AI Wizard, my incredible wizards. I'm Anastasia, your thrilled guide, and I'm buzzing with excitement. Ever wondered how AI can be fair and responsible? Today, we're diving into ethics in AI, the moral magic shaping our future. This 33-minute journey will inspire you. You won't want to miss a single moment. Let's build ethical AI together. Isabella, what's sparking your curiosity?
Hi, I'm Isabella, and I'm thrilled to explore AI ethics. It's about making AI fair and trustworthy, and it's mind-blowing. I'm so ready to learn with you, Anastasia. This is going to be epic. Let's unlock moral secrets.
Hey, I'm Sophia, and I'm pumped to join you. AI ethics ensures technology benefits everyone, and it's pure wizardry. I'm teaming up with Ethan for a Python demo detecting bias in hiring. It's going to be eye-opening. Stick with us to master this magic. I'm thrilled to show you what's coming. Let's shape responsible AI.
Today, we're diving into AI ethics, and I'm so thrilled. We'll learn what AI ethics are, why they matter, and key principles like fairness and transparency. We'll build a Python demo to detect bias in AI. This journey will ignite your moral compass. Let's master ethical magic. Get ready for responsible AI. Isabella, why are ethics exciting?
Ethics make AI trustworthy, Anastasia. They ensure fairness for everyone, and I'm hooked. I'm so ready to learn these principles. This will shape AI's future. Let's unlock its potential.
AI ethics are our focus today. They're moral guidelines ensuring AI is fair, accountable, and addresses biases and privacy. They shape responsible AI systems for a better world. This is moral AI magic. I'm thrilled to explore it. Let's uncover its principles. Get ready to think deeply. Isabella, what's a key ethics goal?
Fairness, Anastasia. Ethics ensure AI treats everyone equally, and it's so important. I'm excited to see how it works. It's like AI with a conscience. This is transformative.
Why do AI ethics matter? They prevent harm and bias, build trust in AI, and ensure equitable outcomes. They impact society and individuals profoundly. This is crucial AI magic. I'm so thrilled to share. Let's see its importance. Ethics shape AI's heart. Isabella, why trust in AI?
Trust makes AI reliable, Anastasia. Ethics ensure it's safe for all, and I love its impact. I'm eager to dive deeper. This is AI with integrity.
AI ethics face challenges, defining universal ethics, balancing innovation with regulation, detecting hidden biases, and enforcing standards are tough. We'll tackle these. I'm so ready to solve them. Let's address these issues. This is Ethics Puzzle. Isabella, why hidden biases?
They're sneaky, Anastasia. Hidden biases harm fairness, but I'm excited for solutions. It's like finding flaws. This tests ethical AI.
Let's address ethical challenges, develop frameworks, use bias detection tools, promote global standards, and engage diverse stakeholders. These solutions power ethical AI. I'm thrilled to apply them. Let's make AI responsible. This shapes a better future. Isabella, why frameworks?
They guide AI, Anastasia. Frameworks ensure ethics, and I'm so excited. It's like a moral map. This strengthens AI ethics.
AI governance sets rules. It involves policies, laws, and regulations like the EU AI Act, ensuring compliance and trust. This fuels ethical AI. I'm excited to explore it. Let's govern AI wisely. This builds a safe AI world. Isabella, why governance?
It keeps AI in check, Anastasia. Regulations build trust, and I'm thrilled to learn this. It's like AI's rulebook. This ensures safety.
Ethical frameworks guide AI. Standards like IEEs define practices like responsible AI adopted by industries. They ensure moral AI development. I'm thrilled to code with them. Let's follow these guides. This is ethical AI's blueprint. Isabella, why frameworks?
They standardize ethics, Anastasia. Frameworks make AI reliable, and I'm excited. It's like a global code. This unifies AI ethics.
AI faces real-world issues. Bias in facial recognition, privacy in surveillance, and job displacement are concerns. Ethics address these to protect society. This is impactful AI magic. I'm so inspired by ethics. Let's solve these issues. This shapes AI's role. Isabella, which issue stands out?
Facial recognition bias, Anastasia. It affects fairness. And I'm blown away by ethics' role. It's like fixing injustice. This is so critical.
Tools make AI ethical. Bias detection libraries, explainability tools like SHAP, and privacy-preserving techniques like Fairlearn ensure responsible AI. These are Ethical AI's toolkit. I'm thrilled to explore them. Let's use these tools. This powers fair AI. Isabella, why tools?
They fix AI flaws, Anastasia. Tools like Fairlearn ensure fairness, and I'm excited. It's like ethical tech. This makes AI better.